our state while in the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh and for the past 10 years. We welcome with our open arms and we would like to really share all the success of this state. Majority of the success goes by your committed and dedicated and true willingness in terms of evolving yourselves into innovation and make this Hyderabad a more viable hub for life sciences and the pharma. And in fact, I'm pleased to see Dr. Satyanarayana Chava here, Madan Mohan Reddy Garu, Anand Kumar Garu, and Ms. Priyanka Chigurupati Garu. And I see lot many, successful entrepreneurs in life sciences who are sitting off the days. I welcome you all. While Dr. Srinivas was just mentioning about, 25 years back, an idea has come. As a policymaker, we design so many policies, but ultimately it rests on the partners of this state and partners of the industry who makes it possible. When the idea has come to the policymaker then, and the idea, the vision to make this Genome Valley into one of the renowned life sciences hub for tomorrow's world. The idea has rolled into action, the vision has rolled into action, and ultimately we could able, for the past 25 years, we could able to run as a single valley in India which can promote life sciences in better way. And we are seeing the fruits of the Genome Valley over here, 25 years we just celebrated. And many people, while we are celebrating 24 years of the Genome Valley existence, and later what we could able to do, what should be our vision tomorrow? And we can't sit on it and we can't idle on it. And that's the real reason we just started our next innings of our vision. We have put One Bio, a platform for all the biopharma industries to incubate, to innovate, and to see that the incubation for the startups or the innovation which is required should be propelled and should be accelerated by the infusion of the government policies. And this is where we would love to really take up and shape our life sciences policy for next 20 to 25 years. If those people 25 years back wouldn't have thought about Genome Valley, nobody in the world should have been known about the Genome Valley. And many people would have their single existence, and as a group, as a conglomerate of industries, we wouldn't have been here. And I'm so thankful that all the partners of the industry made it possible. And time and again I keep telling, it's not about the policy which makes it possible. It's not about the ease of doing which makes us possible. It's a drive and intent of our entrepreneurs who made it possible. So, over the period of these 25 years, you are the witness, the elders on the days are the witness, the elders of the days are the witness, how the ecosystem has been built. It's not about the Genome Valley, it's about the ecosystem which has built very vibrantly, very strongly, and world all over is looking at us now. For the past 25 years, we could able to create that sort of infrastructure, one, and you could able to create that sort of a skill, and we could able to literally make world see what innovation really takes place. And that is the reason about 250 odd companies from 18 countries have their existence over here. And now, if you name any big company or any emerging company, they would love to come to the city of Hyderabad and to the state of Telangana. That is the progress what Telangana could achieve over the past 25 years, and the city of Hyderabad could evolve itself. So I wish and see what we are trying to provide onto the platform, under the platform of One Bio. This is a platform where all the companies can use this platform, having access to the technology and come up with innovation. That is, and I always keep telling elders over here that is high time what we would come up with $1 billion molecule. So we have a hope and we have a trust in the entrepreneurial spirit which they keep on dynamically moving. I see many entrepreneurs who have lots of expertise in this domain still have the fire in the belly. I can see somebody like Varaprasad Reddy Garu, he comes to me with a great other thinking that he wants to come up what after 25 years what this healthcare needs. So that that is the spirit of what we see, and we would like to share these experiences to our industry partners and also try to learn from them how the public policies or the policies of the government should be shaped in the next phase of 25 years, what we are calling as Telangana Rising 2047. The vision document with a vision of yours will be included in the release in the later part of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for laying out a very grand vision. And you have also, I'll come back to some of the specifics that you have mentioned. When we look into the major ecosystems, be it the Boston, Cambridge, or if you look into the Basel or the San Diego cluster, what is very evident is the life sciences ecosystem in Telangana is perhaps the topmost in terms of catering to affordable healthcare. So I think that is something which is a very significant aspect, and we will be focusing a bit more on the volume and as well as the affordability aspects of how the state would spin out these technologies. So just a quick follow-up question. You have also been championing through your leadership, creating a holistic ecosystem in terms of having the best in IT infrastructure. There's a lot happening on the IT sector. There is a lot happening on the educational sector. And you have put in all the elements that are essential ingredients for creating a very vibrant ecosystem. In this context, specifically coming to the topic of the life sciences, the next generation areas, just wanted to request your thoughts. How is Telangana positioning in the frontier areas like cell and gene therapy, synthetic biology and fermentation, AI-driven drug discovery, as well as digital health?
Our focus is very clear. By 2047, we have to grow. The life sciences sector should lead the globe. At least we have to be in that 5 areas of growth. And what we see is we want to lead the next wave of the life sciences innovation. And we are all you people are here not just to participate, and you are the leaders, you just want to lead. Around the world, right now what we are seeing is the world is being reshaped by the new technologies, the new therapies, and especially the digital transformation. How best we can position ourselves preparing for this future with lots of care, scale and intent. That's the real reason I was mentioning about One Bio, wherein the company can access to the biomanufacturing infrastructure. One, we are also investing in lots of talent creation and promoting high quality research. Through the upcoming, first is we are coming up with a life sciences policy and pooling the talent through the life sciences school This is first ever in India, and elders of this sector, the life science sector, have suggested, and we are working on it by January second week to show and to reflect to all the world how we are shaping the skill. We are planning to unveil our life sciences policy in the WEF, in the Davos. And, world-class institutions should be there. Our line of objective is, we have ISB here, we have IIT here, and why can't we have this sort of a school of the life sciences over here, which have the world-class quality? And we would, through this, positioning ourselves in terms of providing the skill, providing the infrastructure through One Bio, or giving the utmost importance to the next generation students in terms of providing and instituting a life sciences university, a school. The basic objective of this school is to have the courses, the people who are interested in the life sciences, and at the same time, the company professionals or the executives who need reskilling and upskilling. And this life sciences school shall be useful for them. And the innovation really takes place at their level. This is what we are trying to do. And point two said is, while we are trying to project this, the elders on the days